Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to do a 9-shot split screen, and you can do this in video. You can do it with still pictures, whatever you want to do. So now I figured out this little bar thing is what I'm recording. All right, so I've brought in my 9 files here, and now I'm going to make a new composition. I'm going to go up to Composition, New Composition, 9-shot split screen. NTSC DV widescreen is the one that we want, and then we'll make it 30 seconds. 30 seconds. 3028. It's going to be full resolution. We'll hit OK. So here's my composition. All right, so now we're going to bring one of these down. Bring it down to our timeline. I'm just going to pull in some shots here from last trimester. Bring this down. I'm going to transform it, scale it back. And I'm also going to turn to my safe area as my grid. And let's see, let's go right there. Bring down this one. And I'm gonna take this, move it down underneath here. So you can see this one. Scale it back. Oops, wrong one. Open this one. Transform, scale it back. And if I look at this scale, it's 32. I can do the same thing on here, 32. There's that one. Once I have them adjusted, I can do whatever. Let's see, we've got Michael, Quinn, Harry, that one here, 32. Drop that down, open up, transform, scale to 32. Enter, 32. Okay, so now you kind of have to look at the sizing and the spacing here. So I'm going to have to probably go a little bit smaller than 32. So I'm going to go up here. I'm going to go up to Layer, New, Layer, Solid. Layer, New, Layer, Solid. I'm going to make this solid white solid 1. And I'm going to put this white solid behind everything, just so I can see the positioning on everything. So I'm going to move, let's see, Control Z. I'm going to move this one over a little bit. I'm going to move Michael, I'm going to move that one up, and I'm going to make them a little bit smaller here. I'm going to go to, let's try 28, 28, 28, and number 3, make this one 28. So that's going to be my new size here. All right. And then just kind of spacing it out. You can see I'm lining it up on the grid here. If I hit play here, this is kind of cool. We've got all 3 of them are moving video.
Whoa.
Yeah, I know. All right, so now we've got white solid. And then we've got Harry. We've got another Harry. Bring that one down here. Value on the scale was 28. So scale 28. Put that up here. And then we'll bring down another one. Bring that one to here. Bring this one to 28. Transform. Scale 28 is not. Close that one. Bring down Harry Potter. Bring this one to 28 under Transform. 28. And then the last final 3, what I can do here, I know I'm going to use all 3. I can hold my shift key down and bring all 3 down here. Notice that changes to a black line. All 3 of those are in there. And then I will open up this one. 28 to 8. And I'm going to move that one over here. Open up this one. Transform, scale, 28. Oh, let's see. This person rendered it as the wrong size. Okay. Oh, we'll figure it out. I'll deal with it in a second. Shut layer 2 and layer 3. Scale as 28. Same picture. All right, let's do I'll just delete it, and I'll bring down Quinn again. That's fine. Quinn, transform. 28. Actually, I'm kind of glad that actually happened, so that we can. All right, so we have to resize this one so that it matches size here. So I'm going to put it over the top of one of these, and we're going to shrink the size down. Let's bring this down. This is one. Scale 12. Let's try 14. 14 is pretty close. Let's go 13. Scale. Perfect. All right. Make this, instead of 100, I'm going to make it 50. There. This one needs to be a little bit bigger. So I'm just going to grab this edge here. Questions in the back? I will be checking where the noise is coming from. I will be checking your computers first to make sure that you've done this assignment right. All right, so now all of these are all lined up. We've got all these layers in here. If I hit play, I'm going to bring my resolution down to a quarter resolution. It's not going to be as clear as what it could be. I'm going to hit play, and all 9 of these shots are now moving. That one goes out. There's another one, a couple that are going to go out here. Out, 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 out. Okay? So typically you would bring in, move it, however long your composition is going to be, you would want to make sure that your composition length is the same for all of them. All right? So, but you can put any color behind there. If you want to just have it on black, you could do that. Also, another thing you could do is, let me go grab a file here from Google. Let's see. Grab Google. Oh, colored background. Colored background. I like that one. That one looks nice. Visit page. Oops. Yeah, sure. Save image as. We're going to save this image. I'm going to save it to the desktop. This computer's doing a lot of stuff right now. Slowing down, possibly. Okay, it doesn't like that one. Save as. Mixed. Save. Okay, we'll go back to After Effects. Import mixed. It is right. No, that was not the right one, right? It was mixed. It was this one right here. And it's actually, it's not a very high quality picture. So if I double click on it, well, it's not too bad. I can bring this mixed one down right here underneath the white solid. And you can kind of see that what's up? What's up? Why is it so hot? Why are you guys talking through the whole entire lecture? Why are you talking through the whole entire lecture? That's what I thought. Okay. All right, we're going to put this multicolored background behind everything. Right now it's on the top layer. Make it full screen, and I'm going to bring it down underneath the white, and there we go. So now all 9 of those shots could be rendered on this colorful background. All right. Any questions that I can answer? Let me hit stop on the recorder here.